You know, black has a way of speaking without saying a word. It's timeless, slimming, and sophisticated, yet many women over 60 shy away from it, thinking it might look too harsh or dull. But here's the truth. When styled with intention, black can make you look radiant, modern, and effortlessly chic at any age. Today, I'm sharing 5 elegant ways to wear black that will help you look polished, confident, and completely yourself. Whether you're going out to dinner, traveling, or enjoying a casual afternoon with friends, by the end, you'll see why black isn't about fading into the background. It's about standing out quietly, with grace. Let's dive in. 1. The black midi dress. A black midi dress works because it hits that perfect point, long enough to feel sophisticated, yet short enough to keep movement easy and youthful. The simplicity of black lets the cut and fabric do the talking. Try this. Choose a soft jersey for casual days or a flowy crepe for evenings. An A-line shape skims without clinging, making it universally flattering. If you're worried about it looking too plain, add a belt in a contrasting texture or color, or layer on delicate jewelry for interest. 2. The tailored black blazer. A well-tailored blazer is a wardrobe anchor. Structure at the shoulders and a gentle nip at the waist create an instant silhouette, no matter what's underneath. Try this. Wear it over a simple black tank and slim trousers for a modern monochrome look, or over a patterned blouse to soften the effect. Concerned about feeling restricted? Look for blazers with a touch of stretch or a softer fabric like ponte knit. They give you movement without losing shape. 3rd, monochrome black dressing in head-to-toe black elongates the body and creates a sleek, uninterrupted line. The key is to mix textures so it doesn't fall flat. Try this. Pair matte black trousers with a silky blouse or a knit top with structured trousers. You can also break up the look with subtle accessories like a silver necklace or patterned scarf. If you're worried monochrome will wash you out, keep black slightly away from your face by adding a lighter toned scarf or earrings to brighten your features. 4. The summer black top. Yes, you can wear black in summer. It's all about fabric and cut. Lighter weaves keep you cool while still giving you that classic elegance. Try this. Go for sleeveless linen tops, airy cotton blouses, or short-sleeved knits with open stitches. Choose open necklines like V-neck or scoop to keep the look light. If you're concerned about black feeling heavy in the heat, pair it with cropped trousers or a skirt to balance the look. 5. Styling black shoes. Black shoes are timeless, but the style you choose makes all the difference in how modern the outfit feels. Try this. For everyday wear, opt for matte leather loafers, ballet flats, or low-heeled sandals. For evenings, switch to patent leather or a pointed toe flat for polish. If you feel black shoes might make your look too formal, choose ones with cutouts, softer rounded toes, or fabric textures to keep them approachable. Outro black isn't about hiding, it's about showcasing your elegance with quiet confidence. When you choose the right cuts, fabrics, and pairings, it works year-round and for every occasion. Tell me in the comments, which of these tips will you try first? And if you enjoyed today's style chat, give this video a like, subscribe for more timeless fashion ideas, and share it with a friend who loves classic elegance. Because style has no age, and neither does confidence.